Hi there, my name's Dan from Carlisle Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this brand new Audi.
Here we have this stunning example of an A3 Sportback Black Edition 35 TFSI featuring the Tango red metallic paintwork. Under the bonnet you'll find a 1.5 litre petrol engine producing 150 PS, which is delivered via a 7-speed Tronic gearbox, achieving up to 46.3 miles per gallon. It sits on the 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid style design alloy wheels, and to the front of the vehicle features the LED headlights with the built-in daytime running lights, ensuring maximum visibility. It also comes with a black styling pack, including black mirror housing, window surrounds and privacy glass to the rear. Taking a look at the boot, we've got a capacity of 380 litres, which is plenty of storage for carrying out a range of day-to-day tasks such as personal shopping. Moving to the interior, it comes finished in the full twin leather upholstery, which is very comfortable for your rear passengers and also features ISOFIX anchor points. To the front you've got a flat bottom leather wrapped steering wheel with a very driver focused interior and the silver inlays providing a nice uplifting feel. The front seats are a sport style with the S embossed logo, and these offer plenty of comfort, support and adjustment for any length of journey, so you'll always find your correct driving position. Controls are mounted on the steering wheel, and these help you navigate through the Audi virtual cockpit, giving you access to a variety of menus including vehicle information, media inputs, phone connectivity, as well as navigation, all within peripheral vision. To the centre you've got your main Audi MMI system where you can access further applications, and for driver convenience there are shortcuts on the right hand side for DAB and FM radio, media inputs, as well as navigation for those unfamiliar journeys you may venture out on, giving you a crisp and clear display of your route ahead. You'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and I'll leave a link to the top right corner of the screen to show you how you can set this up. You also access Audi Drive Select with the car setting, letting you choose your preferred driving profile, which can be refined further with the individual setting. Further down you've got the dual zone climate control for driver and passenger, letting you set nice ambient temperature and airflow throughout the vehicle. It also comes with some nice convenience features, such as the 2 USB-C inputs for charging devices, drinks holders located in the centre making it easy to access on the go, and the central adjustable armrest for those longer journeys.
This vehicle comes with minimum of 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. For any more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us now on 01228 371 516 or inquire online. Thank you for watching this video.